Welcome to this beautifully designed interior space where modern elegance meets cozy comfort. In the living room, natural light floods through large windows, highlighting the siren palette of creams and soft blues. The minimalist sofa, adorned with textured throw pillows, sits against a backdrop of warm wood accents, creating a perfect balance between simplicity and warmth. Transitioning to the holiday spirit, the second living area embraces the festive charm. The stunning Christmas tree, dressed in gold and white, adds a touch of magic, paired with a plush sitting and marble-top coffee table. It's an inviting space for both celebrations and relaxation. The dining room is nothing short of sophisticated. The long wooden table, surrounded by quilted chairs, set against a chic wood panel wall. Modern lighting and tasteful decor make this the ideal spot for intimate diners or festive gatherings. Every corner of this home is thoughtfully designed to blend style with comfort, an inspiring space that feels both luxurious and welcoming. for joining us on this tour of timeless elegance and modern charm.